Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's episode, we're diving into the best cracked heel foot cream for overnight repair, the new Skin Epoch Soul Solution Foot Treatment. If you've struggled with dry, rough feet, stubborn calluses, or cracked heels that just won't go away, then this might be exactly what you've been looking for. The Epoch Soul Solution is an intensive moisturizing treatment specifically formulated to target the root causes of dry, rough skin, not just cover it up. It's designed for deep hydration and skin renewal, making it ideal for chronic dryness and severely cracked heels. The first thing you'll notice when you squeeze out the cream is its rich, luxurious texture. It's not too greasy and absorbs surprisingly well for such a deeply hydrating formula. That's because it's packed with powerful ingredients, and I mean real, skin-loving components. Let's talk about the key players. This formula contains natural papain, an enzyme derived from papaya, which acts as a gentle exfoliator. It helps break down and slough off dead skin cells, making room for healthier, softer skin underneath. Then there's urea, an ingredient widely known in the dermatology world for its ability to draw moisture into the skin and break down tough calluses. If your heels feel like sandpaper, urea is your new best friend. The cream also includes crushed allspice berry extract, not just for fragrance, but as a soothing and revitalizing botanical element. Combine that with baobab extract, known for its antioxidant properties and ability to support skin health, and you've got a powerhouse blend that doesn't just hydrate, it heals. Rounding out the ingredient list is allantoin, which promotes cell regeneration and calms irritation, perfect for those with cracked or inflamed skin. It comes in a 4-ounce tube, compact, travel-friendly, and easy to apply. The brand recommends daily use, especially before bedtime. Apply generously to clean, dry feet, focusing on the heels and any rough patches. Slip on a pair of cotton socks afterward and let it work its magic while you sleep. Many users find that after just a few nights, there's a noticeable difference in softness and hydration. Let's touch on who this is for. If you spend a lot of time on your feet, wear sandals often, or deal with seasonal dryness, this product is ideal. It's also suitable for adults of all ages and skin types. And because of its high-quality formulation, it's especially useful for those dealing with chronic skin issues on their feet. Areas like elbows, knees, and even dry hands can benefit from the intense moisture, although it's always best to patch test first. The ingredients are gentle and naturally derived, and there are no harsh chemicals or artificial fragrances that would raise concerns with extended use. In fact, regular use is encouraged to maintain healthy, smooth skin. In summary, the new Skin Epoch Soul Solution Foot Treatment is a targeted, effective, and high-quality foot cream that delivers real results. Whether you're dealing with seasonal dryness or chronic cracked heels, this product deserves a place in your nightly routine. That's it for today's product critique. If you've tried this product or have questions, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our honest reviews. See you next time.